So ई બંનેની price total શું થશે? What will be the total price? What will be the total price? Is known as cost price.
Cost price.
समझ पड़े છે કે नहीं?
Yes.
So right now refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold for rupees 13,500. Got it? So let me change here. 12,000 and 13,500. Chal. 12,000 rupees and 13,500 rupees. Okay. So now CP minus, sorry, CP is smaller than SP. So it is profit only.
Yes.
Yes. Profit is equal to SP minus CP as it is. So here the amount will be changed. Chalo. 13,500 rupees minus 12,000. Please card in rupees. Common. Okay. So we got 1,500, 1,500 rupees. That is our profit. Am I right or wrong in this?
Yes.
Right.
Okay, great. Chalo. Now the same formula will be used for profit percentage.
Yes.
Chalo, let us do. Profit percentage is equal to profit is how much? Profit is rupees
1,500.
1,500.
Rupees.
Yes. Upon what is the cost price? 12,000 rupees.
12,000.
Multiply by
100. 100.
100. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So we got this 2 0 got cancelled with this 2. 1 0 got cancelled with this one. 2 6s are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 5s are 10. 2 75s are 150. Right? Now 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 year 3 5s are 25. So rest is what? 25 upon 2. Now if you divide 25 upon 2, 2 1s are 2. 2 12.5s are. So what is the percentage we got?
12.5.
12.5% of profit.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with these sums?
No, sir.
Chalo, third read karo fatafat.
A cupboard bought for rupees 2,500 and sold at 3,000.
So again, what is been seen here? Buying price of cupboard is 2,500 and selling price is 3,000. So is it profit or loss?
Profit.
So can you do this sum by your own with the same
Yes,
method
sir.
as we did here?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, fourth sum.
A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold as 150.
Chalo. So a skirt bought for rupees how much?
250.
250
250.
and sold for rupees.
150.
So is it so? Right here, the cost price was 250 rupees. And selling price was 150
150
rupees.
rupees.
Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Now, can I say cost price is greater than selling price?
Yes.
Yes.
So it is, I can say here, I'm sorry,
Loss.
It is loss.
I can say here it is lost.
Yes.
Barabar?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so I will remove this all. And I will write the new formula of loss. What is the formula of loss?
Loss
Cost price
is equal
minus.
to CP minus
Cost
SP.
price minus. Sorry.
Okay, what is cost price over here?
250
250
250
minus
rupees
150.
minus
minus 1.
150.
150 rupees. So, sorry, is equal to what is the loss
100.
of 100
100
rupees.
rupees.
Got it? This
Yes,
is the
sir.
half sum what we did. Now, again, this whole thing we have to remove.
Yes.
Chalo. Instead of this, we will place here
Loss.
loss percentage.
Loss.
આપણો સમય અહીંયાથી ચાલુ છે. Loss percentage is equal to
Is equal
loss
upon
upon
CP.
Upon CP.
CP, yes.
Multiply
Multiply by
100.
100.
100 as it is. Sorry. So, what is loss here? 100 rupees. Upon
Yes.
cost price is 250
250 rupees.
250.
multiply by
Multiply by
100
100.
again.
100.
0 got cancelled here. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25.
25.
5 1s are 5. 5 20s are 100. 20 into 2, 40%.
40.
40.
Have you all understood the content?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
40% is what? Loss percentage.
Loss.
કેટલાનો લોસ
Loss.
ગયો 250 ઉપર 100 રૂપીસ નો લોસ ગયો આના ડિફરન્સમાં કેટલા પર્સન્ટ થાય તો કે 40% થાય
40.
anybody has any doubt with this?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
ચલો question number 2 જો તો સરના સાચા આવે છે આન્સર પેલામાં આપણે 30% આવ્યો ઓકે સેકન્ડ આવ્યો 12.5% ઓકે થર્ડ કર્યો નથી but થર્ડ નો આન્સર 20% આવે છે ફોર્થ નો આન્સર 40% આવ્યો loss. Chalo, question number 2. Who will read this?
Sir, can I?
Yes, you can.
Question number 2. Convert each part of the ratio to percentage. Number A, 3:1. Number 2,
Hey, 3:1 no kya beta 3:1.
3:1.
Bus, stop. Now what is the content we have to follow? We have to follow the ratio is given, we have to convert that into percentage. Ratio symbol is like this. See, this is known as is to, and we have to convert that into percentage. This is also I taught you while explaining this chapter.
Yes.
Okay. Now what is given here? The given thing is, and the side ma le liya thodi var. The given thing is 3:1. Now this has to be converted into percentage. So percentage convert કરવા માટે સૌથી પહેલો આપણો બેઝ શું હોવો જોઈએ? It has to be fraction form. Numerator and denominator હોવું જોઈએ. તો easily
Yes.
percent માં convert થાય. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now
Yes.
3:1. How many digits are there?
2.
2. Add both of them. 3 plus 1 is
4.
4.
4. So
4.
total will be 4 parts. So can I say 3/4 is the first part?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, your voice is not coming.
Hello girls, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting my screen on your screens?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. So 3:4. So 2 digits are there. We by adding these two, we can say that the total is 4 parts.
Yes.
So first fraction will be 3/4. Second fraction will be 1/4.
Hmm.
Now multiply with 100 both the parts. 4 1s are 4. 4 25s are 100. Again, here 4 ones are 4, 4 25s are 100. So first part you got 25 into 3, 75%.
75.
In second part you got 25 ones are 25%.
25%.
Yes.
So this ratio of 3 is to 1 is 75% is to 25.
25%.
Any doubt with this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
સમજાય છે શું કરીએ છીએ આપણે?
Yes, sir.
Now the other thing I want to explain you in this, કોઈ પણ કેટલા પણ નંબર હોય આ હંમેશા ટોટલ શું આવતો હોય ખબર છે? રેશિયો હંમેશા ડિવાઈડ હોય ટોટલ બેઝમાં of 100%. Total base will be what? 100%. આનો જો આ બંનેનો ટોટલ શું થતો હોય? 100. 100 ના થર્ડ પાર્ટ તો કઈ 75%. એ થર્ડ પાર્ટમાં છે. એક પાર્ટ છે એ કયો છે? 1%. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Are you getting the content what I mean to say?
Yes.
Always ગમે એટલા નંબર હોય. For example, 2 is to 3 is to 5 is to 9 is to 10 is to 20 is to ગમે એટલા નંબર નો હોય. The total will be what? The ratio will be of 100%. Average will be of 100%. Let us look for the second sum. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Chalo. 2 is to 3 is to 5. Sorry, 5. So can I say
2
that
plus
the
3
total
plus
is
5.
10 part?
Yes.
Can I say total is 10 part? So I will take
Yes.
here 2 upon 10,
Yes.
3 upon 10
5 upon 10.
and 5 upon 10. बराबर में?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now multiply with 100 with
100.
all. All three will be 10 tens are 100.
Yes.
So you got here 20%, 2 tens are 20%.
30%
You got 30%.
and 50%.
I'm sorry,
Son.
there is something wrong here.
50%.
Wait a moment. Yes, beta, wait. I'm changing something, huh? Okay, so it will be 5 tens are 50%. Any doubt with this right here?
No.
No, sir.
So see the total 20 plus 30 plus 50. Total is 100.
Yes.
Yes.
Is that clear with the sums?
Yes.
Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No, sir.
Chalo, rest of the two sums will you be able to do by your own?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, chalo. Question number 3. Who will read this?
Can I?
Okay.
Can I?
Yes.
The population of the city decreased from 25,000 to 45,500. Find the percentage decrease.
Now what we have to do here? What we have to do here, the population of the city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. That means job, profit loss or increase decrease or profit means what? If for example, if I say the last year in 7th D class, I was having 45 girls. Okay. 50 students. Is it the strength of the class increase or decrease? નથી ખબર?
Decrease.
હે 45 girls હતી last year. આ year 50 girls છે. So is it increasing or decreasing?
Increase.
Decrease.
Increasing.
So last year કરતા આ વર્ષ બીજી લેંગ્વેજમાં આપણે પ્રોફિટ સ્ટ્રેન્થ કહેવાય
Yes.
by increasing strength. That means last year કરતા થોડુંક પોઝિટિવ થયું આગળ. Same way, if last year was 50 and this year I got 45, so is it increasing or decreasing?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. એટલે last year કરતા મારું આ વર્ષ થોડુંક ઓછું થયું. Are you getting? Are you getting my point? So in the same way, population of the city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. So how to do this sum? Let us go with this. Decrease એટલે બીજી ભાષામાં we can say loss. Can we say it is loss only?
Yes.
Now the total population, how to write the answers in the sum, in the fair book? Because as we know that the two steps will be not allowed. These are the problem sums, so we have to write total population is equal to 25,000. Yes. Current population.
24,500.
Current population is equal to 24,500. Yes.
Yes.
So can we say that?
Decreasing.
Now total population is greater than current population?
Yes.
See, short form લખ્યું છે મેં TP અને CP એટલે cost price નથી ને selling price નથી. Total population is greater than current population. So current population is so it is said to be decreased. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now decrease is one sort of loss. So can we say that TP minus CP?
500.
So decreasing amount is equal to 25,000
Minus
minus
25,500.
24,500. So we get decrease of how many people?
500.
500 in the population.
500.
Yes or no? So this is the half part what we have finished. The other half is decrease percentage. That means loss percentage. Decrease percentage is equal to decrease upon total population, we can say.
Yes.
Multiply by 100. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right.
So now, what is the decrease amount? Decrease is 500
500.
upon 25,000. Let me write in that only.
25,000.
Whose mic is on, beta? Put off your mic. Girls,
Sorry.
25,000 multiply by 100. This 2 0 got cancelled with this 2. 1 0 got cancelled with this one. 25 ones are 25. Sorry. 25 twos are 50. So total decrease of how many percent? 2% in the population.
2%.
Any doubt with this?
No.
No, sir.
Sure, bachcha party?
Sure.
Yes. Yes,
Chalo,
sir.
question number 4. Who will read this?
Can I?
You can. Chal jaldi, chokri. Okay, do one thing. Let us complete here only up till question number 3. As our time is going to up, this answer, I think so, I have to explain more than 2 minutes. So it will not be able to cover in this lecture. So we will continue with question number 4 from our next lecture. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Bacha Party, all of you, your homework is to complete all the sums one time in your rough book, and please maintain your fair book as well. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Chalo, do take care of yourself, take care of your health as well, and enjoy your weekends. Have a nice time, Bacha Party.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Khuda Hafiz.
Bye, sir.
Thank you for coming and have a nice day.
Have a
Khuda
nice,
Hafiz.
have a nice day.
Hello, girls.
Good morning,
Girls,
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
sir has left.